make chain 2. From here, wrap around twice and make treble crochet. Make 2 more treble crochet. Once again. Then make 3 double crochet. From here we're gonna make chain 1, then make treble crochet. Then chain 1 again and repeat this on reverse. So make 3 double crochet. Then make 3 treble crochet. Okay. From here we're gonna make chain 2, then slip stitch to the ring. So then you can. This is how it should look like. If you're happy with this size, you can just cut your yarn and make another one. If you want to make it bigger, here we're gonna make chain 3, then find the first stitch and make single crochet into it here. So then make half double crochet. Then make 2 half double crochet in one stitch. Then make 2 double crochet in one stitch. Double crochet. So then 3 half double crochet in one stitch. Then 2 half double crochet in one stitch. From here we're gonna make chain 1 and double crochet to the center, which is the treble crochet. Then make chain 1 and repeat this on reverse. Make 2 half double crochet. Then 3 half double crochet. Then 2 double crochet. Then 2 half double crochet. Then make half double crochet and single crochet. From here we're gonna make chain 3 and slip stitch to the ring. From here to finish, make chain 1 to make it not easy to unravel. From here we can cut your yarn. We can cut your This is how it should looks like, and make sure to make another one. For the edge part, it would be the same for the bigger one and the smaller one, so you can follow this step to make the edge. Join two hearts with the wrong side facing each other. Don't worry about this because we're gonna hide this inside like so. Then hook from the middle part of the heart, grab your yarn, and we're gonna attach this. Then make chain to secure. You can hide this inside. And make chain whatever you want to make this kind of loop. If you want to use this kind of hook, jump ring or something like that, you can make it not little, not too big. But if you don't want to use that kind of hook, just make sure it would be enough. For example, this is enough. From here, we're gonna make slip stitch. Chain, find the back loop only. On the starting chain, this is the chain 3. Here, and the back part. But be the same. This is also the back part, but from here we can call it front part. Front loop and make chain 1. Single crochet. Then chain 1 and make another single crochet, back loop, front loop, like so. Then chain 1 again. If you want to make the lace would be bigger, you can add one more chain. So single crochet, chain 2 and single crochet. So this is would be a little bit, I don't know, curvier. So I'm sorry, I forgot to chain 2. Repeat this until the end of the row. If you want to make it even more fluffy, you can add fiber stuffing inside. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna use the scrap yarn as a stuffing. Okay, then continue to make the edge part. Stitch. Then make slip stitch. I want to make it. So pull this out. And chain 1 to secure. insert the remaining yarn. Pick one where you're gonna use as the front side. I'm gonna use this. Then cut your yarn. This is optional. Maybe I'm just gonna use this much. And then attach your yarn here. This is really optional. You can put that whatever you want. Tie a knot. Make a loop and tie that here. So, and then you can cut the remaining yarn. Okay. And you're done. Yeah, I think it would be better if you use some stuffing to make it even more fluffier like this. This is just using the scrap yarn, but since the size smaller, it looks much full. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what kind of project you want to see next. See you!